Hi there, my name is Jamie Claret and this is Questions from the Boardroom. So things have moved on a bit. Lots of people are using AI, ChatGPT, Gemini, Lovable, Claude, it's all happening. But here's something that I've noticed over the last 6 months or so, and that is that there is an uneasy feeling that people aren't quite doing this the right way, and that's coming from people on the board. I've had quite a number of conversations recently. I've run some workshops, and the general feedback is this, that maybe IT is saying, let's do Copilot, or maybe they've rolled out a little bit of automation, or maybe you've given people access to ChatGPT, and that's cool, you're getting people to use stuff. But what's not happening is this feeling that it's a cohesive journey that you're taking your organization on. And this is a bit of a problem because IT are going to have all kinds of ideas about what they think AI is. Operations will have their idea, and also maybe as a business the strategy has its own direction. So my advice to people sitting on the board or senior leadership teams is to ask yourselves this question: is it joined up? Are all the things that are happening with AI and automation in the business joined up? Are they part of a cohesive strategy, which is the strategy of the business? Are they all kind of part of that? Does the thing that's happening over here tie in with what you're trying to do over here? In terms of the best place to start, it's always with a strategy. It needs to be aligned with the company strategy, it's got to be aligned with the people strategy, and ultimately it's got to be aligned with the technology strategy. The problem is that as people are doing bits and bobs all over the place, it's probably not aligned. One of the risks of this is shadow AI. We've known about shadow IT, where people use devices that they're not really meant to use in the environment, but they do because they want to adapt and do things. Exactly the same thing is happening with AI at the moment. Some of your team will be using ChatGPT, some will be using Copilot, some won't be doing anything, some will be using stuff that definitely shouldn't be allowed, or putting data into things that shouldn't be allowed. So the question is, are you aligned? Are you joined up? That's the question that you have to ask yourself. Thanks very much.